everybody, welcome back to Greek and Simple, or welcome if you're new to our company. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here on Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes and not only. And today we're celebrating! Yeah! Woohoo! It's my daughter's second birthday and I'm making a lemon layer cake. I hope you're gonna enjoy the recipe. For the recipe, check the description down below. I'm gonna explain how I did the layers and how I'm gonna decorate. We're gonna see right now together. And I have to stop this video right here because I'm not gonna show you more. It didn't went well. So few stuff that it didn't work was that I didn't have that cream of tartar and I didn't know that I have to use the vinegar or lemon juice, and I had them both, but instead of that I used baking soda, not baking powder. Yeah, they're not the same thing, guys. Did you know about that? I didn't. So I learned that I need to have the right ingredients so the recipe will be as good as Erin's. So I'm following the recipe for a second time and I hope this time gonna work as I want it to work. So this being said, I can na 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 sa na 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 sa na 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 na. And that's Erin from Food 52 and I'm Theodora from Greek and Simple. I already made the layers of the cake, if you can call them layers, and I'm gonna do the syrup, decorate the cake, and also that amazing lemon crema. To be honest, guys, I'm not an expert of making cakes and I do it like here and there a couple of times of the year and I'm not an expert at all. So this is my second attempt why I start doing the cake like this, but it didn't end up very well. So it was very thick because I was scared to cut it to 4 layers. So today I'm gonna try to do it even they're not too thick as they were in the previous time, a few days ago. And I'm gonna use the lemon, not the lemon, the cream of tartar that I didn't have last time, and I used baking soda. Why? I don't know. I thought it's the same thing, but it's not. So if you're trying to make this recipe, make sure that you have that cream of tartar or vinegar or lemon, as Erin said on how to make a meringue, and also on the description down below. So I really studied this time and I'm prepared and I'm gonna do everything here, my second experiment. Here I'm gonna make the syrup for the cake with lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemons, and sugar using my briki. So I'm adding and the lemon juice. So first layers are here. Help me God to cut them right because I'm so scared of doing this. I think it worked. I think I have 2 layers now. Ooh, yes, it worked. Yes, it worked. Amazing. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Worked. Yeah, I was so scared to do it last time, and this time it's so good. I'm amazed. Wow. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna add the syrup. I'm gonna go make the sugar syrup and prepare the crema for the lemon crema. So guys, the sugar syrup is very simple. It's just a mix of water and sugar, but it's very difficult to hit the temperature. And I think that was a mistake that I've done last time. Terrific cream of tartar that I didn't have, and it's just like that. To add the lemon curd. I hope this time it's gonna work, guys, because last time it became so runny and I really didn't like the result. Guys, I don't know. It looks very runny. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work. I did everything from the recipe and I'm afraid now it's not gonna work. I'll have to make a new crema. Although it's very yummy. Delicious, but see how runny it is? It's like watery. What didn't go well? I don't know. I did exactly what the recipe says. Try or not try? Put it on the cake or not? Maybe I can put it between layers, but not like outside. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit. Maybe need some time to cool down, who knows. Yeah, I need to combine it very well. Maybe I'm gonna add a little bit of red because I think it's kind of pale. But first I need to mix it very, very well. Of red, maybe two red, and let's see. It's cute. It's cute, but I think I need need a little bit of blue, so I'm gonna add one more drop of blue, or two. Two drops are better than one. Everybody knows that. La la la. Yes, it's the lavender, yes. Yes, it's the lavender color that I need. It's perfect lavender color. I really like it. It seems that it worked. I don't see that it's so watery anymore, so I'm gonna use it definitely for filling. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it for the decoration, since I made the purple vanilla. But first I need to cut these plastic bags and add the crema. Guys, I haven't made that recipe many times, so I'm kind of unsure. Okay. At least it's not watery like last time. Oh my god, thanks. Last time was such a nightmare. Okay, I think that's enough. And I'm gonna add the blueberry. I keep saying blueberry, but it's a mix of berries. It's not only blueberry. Beautiful. I'm sure that it's tasty because I tried all of these guys separately, and plus I had it last week. I made it last week. Start using my spatula to make the effect of naked cake. Lucky. Okay, perfect. So I did that naked cake, and now I'm gonna add some white chocolate to make a drip that I really like on the cakes. So you basically put it here and you let it drip. It's not dripping. Amazing, amazing. I just made this wonderful lemon layer cake with some mix of raspberries and blueberries, and I love it. And now I'm gonna decorate with some sprinkles on the top. Oh, I love it. They're so pretty. They're like pearls, and there are all kinds of colors, very girly, very colorful, and I really adore how it looks, all that contrast of the colors and that lavender with a white chocolate on top. I love it. I hope I inspired you guys to make your own cakes, and I want to thank Erin for her recipe. It was so amazing. I really loved her recipe. Thank you, Erin. Many kisses from Greek and Simple, guys. I'm gonna post some pictures on my Instagram. And I hope you're gonna like it, and I hope you're gonna make amazing cakes for you and your beloved ones. This is gonna go to the freezer to chill, and we're gonna have it tomorrow. Bye bye.